Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing wonderful today. I'm the Portfolio Panda. Today we are going to talk about one of the top stocks in the Australian Stock Exchange, CSL. Company overview. CSL Limited is a global biotechnology company engaged in the research, development, manufacturing, and marketing of biotherapies to treat and prevent serious medical conditions. The company is listed on the Australian Securities Exchange under the ticker symbol CSL. CSL operates through two business segments, CSL Behring and Seqirus. CSL Behring is focused on the development and manufacturing of plasma-derived and recombinant products for the treatment of rare and serious diseases. The segment specializes in therapies for immunodeficiency, bleeding disorders, and autoimmune diseases. CSL Behring has a strong research and development pipeline, continuously working on the development of innovative therapies. Research and development. CSL has a robust R&D program, investing a significant portion of its revenue in research activities. The company collaborates with leading academic institutions, research organizations, and biotechnology companies to drive scientific advancements and develop new treatments. CSL's R&D efforts primarily focus on expanding its product portfolio, improving manufacturing processes, and exploring new therapeutic areas. The company's commitment to R&D ensures a sustainable pipeline of products and maintains its competitive edge in the biotechnology industry. Plasma donor supply chain. CSL relies on a secure and reliable supply chain of plasma donors to manufacture its plasma-derived products. Plasma is collected from a network of plasma collection centers worldwide. CSL implements strict quality control measures and rigorous testing to ensure the safety and efficacy of the collected plasma. The plasma is processed at CSL's manufacturing facilities, where it undergoes purification, fractionation, and formulation to produce various therapies. The company maintains stringent supply chain management practices to ensure a consistent supply of plasma and meet the global demand for its products. Seqirus is a subsidiary of CSL Limited and is one of the largest influenza vaccine providers globally. It specializes in the research, development, production, and distribution of vaccines to protect against seasonal and pandemic influenza. Seqirus operates in both the northern and southern hemispheres, catering to the specific regional influenza strains. The segment also focuses on the development of next-generation influenza vaccines to enhance protection and combat emerging strains. Financial performance. CSL has consistently delivered strong financial results, reflecting its robust business model and strategic investments. The company's revenue and earnings have witnessed steady growth over the years. Factors contributing to CSL's financial success include a diversified product portfolio, global market presence, strong R&D capabilities, and effective supply chain management. Investors often regard CSL as a reliable long-term investment due to its stable financial performance. CSL Limited is a global biotechnology company known for its expertise in the development and manufacturing of biotherapies. With CSL Behring focusing on plasma-derived products and Seqirus specializing in influenza vaccines, CSL is well positioned in both therapeutic areas. The company's robust R&D efforts, strong supply chain management, and global market presence contribute to its continued growth and success. Investors interested in the biotechnology sector may consider CSL as a potential long-term investment option. Note, this stock report provides a general overview of CSL Limited and its operations. It is always recommended to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. Factors such as market conditions, industry competition, regulatory environment, and company-specific developments should be taken into consideration. It is also advisable to review CSL's financial statements, annual reports, and news releases to gain deeper insights into its performance and future prospects. Some key points to consider. Market opportunities. CSL operates in the biotechnology sector, which offers significant growth opportunities driven by increasing demand for innovative therapies and vaccines. The company's focus on rare diseases and immunodeficiency treatments positions it well to tap into niche markets with limited competition. Regulatory environment. As a biotechnology company, CSL operates in a highly regulated industry. Changes in regulations, particularly related to product approvals, manufacturing standards, and safety protocols, can impact the company's operations and financial performance. Investors should monitor regulatory developments closely. Global presence. CSL has a strong global presence, with operations and distribution networks in over 60 countries. This geographic diversification helps mitigate risks associated with regional economic fluctuations and provides access to a wide customer base. Competitive landscape. CSL faces competition from other biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies involved in the development and production of plasma-derived therapies and vaccines. Key competitors include Grifols, Take-Two Pharmaceutical Company, and Octapharma. Investors should assess CSL's competitive advantages, such as its product portfolio, research capabilities, and intellectual property, to evaluate its position within the industry. COVID-19 impact. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on the healthcare industry, including the biotechnology sector. CSL's operations may have been influenced by factors such as disruptions in plasma collection, manufacturing, and clinical trials. Monitoring the company's response to the pandemic and its ability to adapt to changing market conditions is crucial. Financial health. Analyzing CSL's financial statements is vital for assessing its financial health and performance. Key metrics to consider include revenue growth, profitability, cash flow generation, and debt levels. Investors should also evaluate the company's ability to fund its R&D initiatives, as these investments are crucial for future product development and market expansion. Risks and challenges. Investing in CSL, like any other stock, comes with its own set of risks. Some potential risks and challenges to consider include regulatory and compliance risks. Changes in regulatory requirements or failure to comply with existing regulations can impact CSL's operations, product development, and market access. Competitive landscape. The biotechnology industry is highly competitive, with numerous companies vying for market share. CSL's ability to innovate, protect intellectual property, and effectively compete against established players and new entrants is critical. Supply chain disruptions. Any disruptions in CSL's plasma donor supply chain, manufacturing processes, or distribution networks can impact product availability, leading to potential revenue and financial implications. R&D success and pipeline. CSL's future growth depends on the success of its research and development initiatives and the ability to bring new therapies and vaccines to market. Failure in clinical trials or delays in product development could adversely affect the company's prospects. Economic and market conditions. Global economic conditions, changes in healthcare policies, and fluctuations in currency exchange rates can impact CSL's financial performance and international operations. It is essential to conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor or investment professional to assess the risks, potential returns, and suitability of CSL stock as part of an investment portfolio. Consider CSL as a long-term investment opportunity. Biotechnology companies often require substantial time for research, development, and regulatory approvals. Investing with a long-term perspective can help capture potential value appreciation over time. In summary, CSL Limited is a reputable biotechnology company with a strong focus on research and development, a robust supply chain of plasma donors, and subsidiary companies like Sequoia. While this stock report provides a broad overview, investors should conduct thorough due diligence and seek professional financial advice to make informed investment decisions. As usual, let me know any questions in the comments below and make sure to share this with your least financially savvy friend, then tell me if I did okay in explaining the topic. Your most valuable asset is your time. Thank you for sharing yours with me. Until next time.